he can hear us. That business down there.
Woo! Look how much fun.
What's it look like?
Very pretty.
It's merry-go-round.
Yeah! All right.
That's very beautiful.
Woo!
What's the matter? What do you want your dad to do?
Huh?
What do you want him to do?
You request all people to
I
talk
want
to
to
you about
shoot
tattoos.
some fireworks.
How many?
A lot.
How many's a lot?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six.
The cell phones reach over there?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, we had a good time.
Say goodbye, Emmett.
We love it. Say bye-bye.
Gotta say goodbye.
See you
Amy.
next year. Bye.
Say goodbye, Amy.
Amy, say goodbye.
I don't want to go.
Bye-bye, everybody. Get me out of here. I don't want
Bye-bye. Goodbye, everybody.
See you later.
to watch.
Amy said, see ya.
I want to watch this.
Okay, watch it.